We're very excited today at Rathfinny Estate because we're disgorging our vintage wines from 2016. When we bottle our wines, we add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of yeast. We then age the wine for a minimum of 3 years, which means that the secondary fermentation takes place inside the bottle to develop all those wonderful flavors that you want within a traditional method sparkling wine. This is the first year that we're going to be using all our own equipment to disgorge our wines here at Rathfinny. Firstly, we have to freeze the neck of the bottle, and we do that by placing the bottle in a glycol ice bath. We then remove that plug of yeast by opening the cap. Inside the bottle there's 6 bar of pressure, so the plug of yeast fires out like a bullet from a gun. We're then able to add a little bit of sugar, what's called dosage, just to round off the wine. And then we put a cork in the bottle, secured by a wire hood, which holds the cork in place. This new equipment enables us to guarantee a quality standard for all the wines that we're producing at Rathfinny. Being able to do everything on site enables us to not only reduce our carbon footprint, but also ensure the best quality wines are released to our customers.